I'm Rob Menzies and welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading off to yet another No Limits track day, and this time we are heading out to a track I've never tried before. We are going to the Brands Hatch GP circuit, which I'm really excited to go and do. Now I'm going to be doing all the usuals, so I'm going to be using the Smallboys Track hire bike and I'll be on the ZX636, and at the same time I'm going to be out using my GoPro with the GPS turned on, so I'll be using race chrono. Also, obviously I'm also going to be wearing my Helite airbag vest, and I'll be telling you a little bit more about that in just a second, so stay with me as I take you along for the ride. Okay, so we're here at Brands Hatch and we're just about to head out onto the GP circuit. Now, before I do so, I just want to quickly talk to you about my wonderful Helite airbag vest. I'm never going out on track unless I am wearing this, and if you are a road rider, if you're a track day rider, or if you're even a horse rider, then this is really worthwhile checking out. Now, there is a link for you down here, down below, and this is going to give you £50 off if you decide that you want to purchase something, and it also gives me a little bit of a kickback to help service this vest for the future. So we're going to head out now. We're going to get out and enjoy the track. I'm going to have the GPS on, so we're going to do all the overlays as usual and hopefully give you all the telemetry before getting into the full session. So hope you enjoy and come along for the ride. Okay, so we're just about to head out onto the last session of the day, which is the 6th session. This one's an absolute cracker. We start off following my friend Nick for the first couple of laps, and then basically we zoom off and just go have a bit of fun. It's a really, really good session. We get some really good laps in and thoroughly enjoyable for the last session of the day. So I'll guide you through the analytics now, and then you can come along and enjoy the ride. Okay, so we're going to dive into the analytics of this video. Let's just guide you through what you can see on screen first. So top left hand side, we've got a heat map of the lap and the layout, and our blue bits are basically the slower bits and the red bits are the quicker bits. If we then move to the middle, what we can then see is the lap times and the sector times, and I've chosen here to take the fastest lap, which is lap 5, which is a 1:49, and I'm actually going to choose lap 6 rather than lap 1, which was clearly an out lap, hence 4 minutes long. Lap 6 being a 1:52, so that we can have a look at that one. Again, 3 seconds difference. Let's see if we can spot where the difference went. Again, on the right hand side here, we've got the two videos side by side, so the white lap being lap 5, the red lap being lap 6, so we can see what's going on. As we move down to the bottom here, we can then see the speed, the power and the lean angle as usual. So let's focus on the speed curve, see where we were losing a little bit at the time or where we were gaining on the white lap. First place that we can actually see it is as we look at coming into basically the end of the start finish straight and coming into the first corner. We can see on the red lap there was definitely some traffic around, and that had an impact on the speed, with the red lap being slightly slower then. If we then kind of scroll forward into the lap, we can see very, very slight changes as we're coming through some of the rest of the lap here, and you can see where there's just a slight speed difference where the white lap is just that little bit quicker in a couple of areas. Now again, as we look down to the bottom, the lean angles generally tend to look about the same, and the power isn't too far off. It's just these final little changes that make all of the difference. What we're now going to do is we're going to head into the full analytics overlay so that you can watch that over the quickest lap, which will be lap 5, and then after that we'll take you into the full session so you get to watch the whole session. So enjoy!
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.